Iona Francis.
Yes.
These are your baked products.
Yes.
Introduce us to them, please.
So I make a wide variety of different baked products. So cookies, breads, and like I like trying to experiment with new things. So if I find something interesting,
I
I
see.
will definitely try it.
Where you find the recipes?
It depends. So like some things I will watch online, some things
Wow.
from movies. So
Nothing traditional. I mean, it need not be Goan only, but also Goan.
yes, also Goan.
Yeah.
So during Christmas, I make Christmas samples. So
I see.
for that, most of my things are traditional Goan. But that is not restricted to just baked products. So it's also sweets like dodol and
I see.
others. Yeah.
You enjoy cooking.
Yes.
How did you
cooking,
discover your love for it?
I actually started because we used to bake the Christmas cake.
Yeah.
So like every year,
Helping mom.
no, not really.
Ah.
It was just like let's do it. It started once and then we continued it as
I
a
see.
new tradition.
The kids in the house.
Yeah, and so then like each year I kept improvising
I
till
see.
I perfected my recipe,
I see.
and then I got an order for hampers.
I see.
So every Christmas I provide Christmas hampers to a company in Panjim.
I see.
So after that I branched out into this. Then I used to bake because we used to see videos and some
I
things
see.
you want to try out, and not everything that you get in the market is cost effective
Yeah.
or what what suits your preference or taste.
Yeah.
So that is why I started working on different things.
And what is your range? I mean, what kind of food or items do you prefer to bake? Global or spread any particular variety?
I prefer baking breads,
I
but
see.
I'm still working on that. I'm new to that, so I'm starting slow. But simultaneously, I'm working on anything that's different or unique, some things that you don't usually get in stores,
Yeah.
or things that are not very cost effective.
What's your field originally?
I studied BCA.
BCA.
Yes.
Computer applications.
Yes.
So that's a world away from this.
Yes, it is.
But we always study one thing and we
Yeah,
end up
sure.
doing something else in life. You see this as
And-
becoming your profession?
Yes, absolutely.
Very much.
Because I had a friend who asked me, who asked me whether I wanted to start doing something that I love now,
Yeah.
or in the next 20 or 30 years.
Yeah.
So that was like a turning point for me. So I
It made you
realized-
think.
Yeah, because before it was just like one day at a time,
Yeah.
so many orders and whatnot. So because of that, it really made me realize that if I do this, even though it is a little tiring now,
Yeah. Yeah.
eventually in the long run it's going to make me happy.
Yeah.
So
At the start it can be tough, it can be discouraging, but if you overcome that, then it's, then you find your way.
but like once your product is ready,
Yeah.
the joy that you get
Is immense.
Yeah, so you forget about how tired you are,
Yeah.
and nothing matters. So like at 4 o'clock at night,
I see.
when your bread is done or whatever,
Yeah.
you're still like so happy even though you're so tired.
But the challenge is also marketing. Marketing can be a tough job,
Yeah,
no?
that is
You
true.
you you face challenges there.
Yes, because
That's more difficult than creating the product, would you say?
yes, absolutely, because not everyone has the same tastes.
Yeah.
Each of our preferences differ.
Plus
Some
Goa
of
is a
us-
very scattered state, no? I
Yeah.
mean, like it's difficult to.
Yeah, and some of us also have like various dietary restrictions. So you may want to try something, but it's not suitable for you, or it doesn't really agree with you.
Yeah.
So that can be issues sometimes.
What was the most difficult thing you ever prepared and why?
It's I can't really answer that question because if something is difficult the first time, then you work on it till it is not difficult anymore. So like now, whatever I make, I've like perfected my recipes. So
I see.
I'm happy with them.
I see.
And certain people, like if I know it makes another person happy, or
Yeah.
a different person prefers like my recipe compared to other people's, that makes me happy.
So what cuisines do you look at? Any particular global regions? Which do you find the most interesting? Like,
Uh, I don't think there are any restrictions like that.
Yeah.
So
but you find anything more attractive, anything more challenging, anything?
no. So if you're talking about breads,
Yeah.
then the Italian cuisine is like really good
I see.
because they have like various breads, even their pastas.
I see.
Then when it comes to things like cookies, so you make the American version.
Yeah.
So that way it differs.
What would be Goa's strength
Of
in terms of food? What do you see as the most undiscovered or under-noticed food from Goa? Which is your favorite? Hard to
I've
say.
never really thought about this.
Yeah. It's a bit rich, no? Goan food is rich.
It is. But I think we should.
Innovate?
No, not really. I think we should. Sometimes many people don't really like thinking about our past because sometimes our past may not have like the happiest history.
Yeah.
But it has also influenced our current lifestyle. So I think we should respect that and also try to bring back a few old recipes and not really act like it's a taboo.
Yeah. Goa stuck with 4 or 5 types of bread, which seems to have got stuck for 500 years. We have the pav, the undo, the katre, the poi, and the kakon.
Yes.
What about more varieties of bread?
So I'm really trying to change that.
I see.
So, like eventually that is my ultimate goal, but I can't rush towards that.
Yeah.
I have to also branch out as well. So this is a smarter, like branching out is a smarter option, and then slowly walking and progressing towards that ultimate goal is.
And Vichita's your helper, assistant, supporter.
Yes, supporter. And she's also like, she does taste tests for me.
Yeah, so even I.
Nice job. That's a nice job.
Yeah, so even I too like cook a little. So
I see.
Any help that she requires, that there are a few things that I would know better than she does. Like she's really good at cakes also.
Yeah.
And even breads, like the way she works with them, it's really incredible.
I see.
But then there are certain things that she's even learning now, and that I have I've tried it out at home, like making pies and stuff like that. So I help her out whenever I can. And yes, I taste test.
You all had a baking course at your house, no? If I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
They organize it.
Yeah, it was organized by Government Polytechnic.
I see.
Yeah, but I did it just for the certificate because
You didn't need it. You didn't need it.
Yeah, that is true. But I was also told that it would help me with getting my FDA
I
and
see.
FSSAI licenses. So I decided to go ahead with the course.
All the best. Keep it up.
Thank you so much.